Hello, welcome back to our channel. So, today we will be learning about how to do accounting and bookkeeping for the cleaning company. So, here are the topics that we're going to cover today. Let's start with the revenue tracking. So, to maintain comprehensive records of all the revenue sources in your childcare or education facilities, including contracts, one-time services, and additional income streams like sales or cleaning suppliers or equipments. Accurate documentation ensures transparency, supports financial planning, and facilitates compliance with the tax regulations and reporting requirements. Second, expenses. To keep a detailed record of all the expenses associated with your cleaning business, such as cleaning suppliers, labor costs, transportation, insurance premium, rent or lease payment, and utility expenses. Through expense tracking support, effective budgeting, cost control measures, and measure accurate financial reporting for your cleaning operations. Third, payroll. To track employee wages, taxes, and benefit in your cleaning business. To ensure accurate classification of employees version contractors for tax purpose. To comply with the regulation. Proper record keeping supports the payroll accuracy, tax filing integrity, and ensure adhere to labor laws and employment standards in your industry. Fourth, invoicing and payments. To maintain a records of all the invoices issued to client and track payments received in your cleaning business, monitoring accounts receivable closely to ensure timely collection of payments, supporting cash flow management and financial stability. Effective invoicing and payment tracking helps to maintain positive client relationship and streamline financial operations within your business. Fifth, bank reconciliation. Regularly reconcile your cleaning business's bank statements with financial records to delete depreciation or errors promptly. This practice to ensure accuracy in financial reporting, identifying political issues such as unauthorized transactions or accounting mistakes, and support financial transparency and integrity within your business operations. 6. Tax compliance. Stay current with the tax obligations in your cleaning businesses, including income tax, payroll tax, and sales tax. Maintaining detailed records of all the tax filed and payments to ensure compliance with the tax law and regulation. This practice supports financial accountability, minimizing risk of penalties, and promotes smooth business operation. 7th, asset management. To track and depreciate assets like cleaning equipment and vehicles systematically in your cleaning business. Maintain an accurate records of asset equipment cost and apply depreciation methods to reflect wear and tear over time. This practice supports the financial reporting accuracy, tax deduction, and effective management of asset lifecycle and replacement planning. 8. Financial statement. To prepare and review comprehensive financial statements, including income statements, balance sheet, and cash flow statements for your cleaning business. These reports provide a clear overview of financial performance, liquidity, and operational efficiency. Regular review helps in monitoring financial health, making informed decisions, and ensuring accountability and transparency in financial management. So, here are some KPIs that are commonly used in the cleaning companies to measure performance and track success. Let's check out. First, customer retention rate. To measure a customer retention rate to gauge satisfaction and loyalty in your cleaning business. High retention percentage signifies satisfied clients who consistently choose your service, reflecting strong customer relationship and validating service quality and reliability. Second, customer satisfaction. To collect a customer feedback via survey or review to assess satisfaction with your cleaning service. This input helps identifying strength and area for improvement, ensuring continuously enhancement of service quality and customer satisfaction in your cleaning business. Third, revenue growth. Track the growth in the revenue for your cleaning companies over the time. Increasing revenue indicates business success and reflects the effective strategy in the attracting clients, expanding services, and optimizing operational efficiency within your cleaning business. Fourth, profit margin. To calculate the profit margin by dividing net profit by total revenue, a higher profit margin indicates effectively cost management and profitability in your cleaning business, showcasing effective use of resources and financial health. Fifth, average revenue per client. To determine the average revenue granted per client to identify high-value clients in your cleaning business. This metric assists in understanding customers' spending patterns, optimizing marketing strategies, and focusing on nutrition relationship with the key clients for sustainable business growth. Sixth, employee productivity. Track cleaning staff productivity by measuring the number of jobs completed per hour or a day. Monitoring this metric helps assess efficiency, optimizing scheduling, and ensuring timely service delivery in your cleaning business to enhance overall operational effectiveness and client satisfaction. Seventh, work order completion time. To measure the average time required to complete the cleaning jobs to measure efficiency and customer satisfaction in your cleaning business. Faster completion time indicates effective workflow management and responsiveness to client needs, enhancing overall services quality and client satisfaction levels. 8th, account receivables. To monitor the align of the unpaid invoices to ensure timely payment collection in your cleaning business. Tracking invoice align helps to identify overdue payments, implement follow-up procedure, and to maintain healthy cash flow, supporting financial stability and operational efficiency. 9th, employee turnover ratio. To calculate the employee turnover rate to assess workforce stability in your cleaning business. High turnover may indicate dissatisfaction or management issue. Promote the need of retention strategies and improvement in workplace culture to enhance employee engagement and to reduce turnover rates. 10th, cost of goods sold. To calculate the cost of cleaning suppliers and labor directly tied to service delivery as a percentage of revenue. Lowering the cost of goods sold can improve profitability in your cleaning business, indicates the effective cost management and maximizing financial performance. 11th, marketing ROI. Evaluate the return on investment for your marketing to gauge the effectiveness of your campaigns in your cleaning business. This analysis helps to measure the profitability and success of marketing efforts, guiding the strategy decision and optimizing resource allocation for the future campaign. So, thank you so much. Have a nice day.